All right. So now that we've seen a few examples, we can see like how things like a small change, like increasing the ice cream stall for an hour, gets you like $60,000 in benefit. So they don't really need to make expensive TV ads anymore. And other companies, larger companies, get even more benefit. Like say, for example, 1-800-flowers.com, their business analytics said that if you make some changes, like every day it'll predict like what flowers you should put up on the website, and they'll alter the prices slightly. So the analytics engine will tell them, okay, today you should reduce the price of this, and this, and you should increase the price of this, and this by this much. So this should be the optimal prices. And small changes like that, it doesn't really cost them much money, but because of this, they've got like $50 million in benefit. Okay, so some of these things have become so successful that companies that do this analytics, they actually outperform the competition by 3 times, right? So this is why business analytics is so much in demand, and this is why companies are looking to hire in business analytics. Now, what does business analytics consist of? Basically, these three fields. Okay, so you see the three big circles. Those are the three main fields that analytics consists of. This particular class comes at it from the big oval in the top right corner, business intelligence or information systems. Right, so this started sometime in the 1950s when businesses first started using computers. Okay, so some things that small organizations found easy to answer, like how much did we sell last month? For a small organization, that's pretty easy to answer. But when you're the size of Walmart or ExxonMobil, these questions became really difficult to do. That's where computers and technology came in. Right, so now on a computer, it's very easy to get these answers. Apple wants to know, oh, how many iPhones did we sell last month? They get the answer in the fingertips, right? So that's where this particular field comes in from. But you actually have two other, statistics and modeling and optimization. Right, so stat is the oldest discipline. Some of you have taken a stat class in high school. Some of you have taken it here at Fairfield. Some of you will be taking the stat class here in Fairfield as part of a university core. But this one has become more prominent because businesses are seeing so much more data now. Now they can do things like analyze, okay, what's the correlation between weather and our sales? Different products, or what weather like makes them sell more, things like that. Okay, so this goes beyond business intelligence. Operations research, the third field, also called modeling and optimization, the big yellow circle in the bottom. This was born during the World Wars, World War One and Two. So basically, generals were using this to improve their military operations, how to get things out in the front, how to optimize movement of troops, things like that. But then later on, like businesses also started using it, like how we can move our products across all these areas much quicker and faster. So you'll actually have a class in this in your business core on operations research. So you'll learn more about it from that angle. But where things get interesting is between on the intersections between these three. So data mining, this focuses on patterns found in large databases. So some things that we can't predict, like say McDonald's, they sell certain products at certain times of the year. They don't know why, but in some particular days, people like Big Mac more than the other burgers. So this is a pattern found in database, and we can't really explain it. Okay, now the second intersection, simulation risk between statistics and OR. This takes together like how probable is something like another pandemic happening? How probable is that we go into recession next year? And how should we best prepare for this? Now, this other field, the intersection between business intelligence and information systems and modeling and optimization. Okay, so this uses computers to make better decisions. Like, say, for example, a restaurant is trying to decide like how much of each menu item should we order and keep in. So what they're trying to predict is like, okay, so all these customers are going to come in. Obviously, every table is not going to order every menu item. If we buy too much, we have stuff left over to throw away. But if we buy too little, if some customer asks for a particular dish, they'll have to say, oh, sorry, we ran out. So decision support systems help them make better decisions this way. And the one in the middle, this is the most interesting one, visualization. This actually helps us make decisions based on graphs and charts. And it's been really helpful so far.